Let's also delve deeper into commodity price volatility, discuss that, take the conversation forward with Dinesh Somani, co-founder of ProIntellitrade Services, joining us on the show at this point in time. Thank you so much, Mr. Somani, for taking time out, and a very good afternoon to you. It's a good day to be chatting with you at this point in time, right? Because you do have gold futures that have hit that fresh record high. So that's definitely going to be my first question. I wanted to understand what you think are the key triggers there, and do you see this momentum also being sustained?
Yeah, good afternoon, and definitely a good day. We are trading at all-time high in Indian MCX markets. The prices are close to 1,02,100 around, and the major gain as of now is attributed to a 3% rise, 3% rupee depreciation that impacted the gold prices a lot. Secondly, the disruption with Switzerland of the US, with the trade tariff that is being increased to 39%, that is also added to the supply disruption and created a move of almost 600, 700 rupees as of now. So overall, over the dollar index also depreciated. I mean, the scenario, the uncertainties that are adding to the prices, the major technical level was 1,05,50 that broke out, and prices rallied almost 600 from there on. The momentum is likely to continue for a day or two, and probably we may see 1,03,200 by next Monday.
All right, then that's about MCX prices. I also wanted to get a sense of what you think about spot gold as well and silver. If you can just help us out with what kind of price levels you have in mind, at least for this quarter when it comes to both of these commodities then.
Probably in Indian market, MCX gold probably might test 1,05,200 by next month end. And probably silver, we may see 1,22,000 around. That is the level I'm expecting. As far as the international market is concerned, 3460, that's a crucial resistance in COMEX market. I see it being tested again. The major resistance is 3,500, which is the all-time high as well. As far as silver is concerned, the downside support is 3650, and the upside resistance is $43. The immediate resistance, which I could sense, is $40. A move past 40 may immediately trigger to $43 as well.
All right, then there we have it. Those are some of the price levels to keep in mind. But I also wanted to get a sense of what you think about the geopolitical risk premium as well. Do you think at this point in time, given that there's a whole host of volatility that we see in the markets, is there, do you see that also being priced in at this point in time?
Of course, the volatility is definitely priced in, the uncertainty is also priced in, and all the war-like situation that was created, that everything is priced in. But as of now, the momentum, the liquidity that is driving the prices to these levels, and the momentum might continue for a month as well.
All right, then. I also wanted to understand if you'd be able to talk to us about oil prices and the roadmap there. Is that something that you'd be able to tell us about? Because you do have prices edging lower, at least at this point in time. Where do you see them headed? Do you see this sort of oil cracking under pressure continuing, or are you penciling in something else there?
Definitely, the pressure is definitely there. We see prices crossing $70 and then falling back to $63. The WTI crude is under tremendous pressure. We may expect prices to go below $60 as well. As far as the Indian market is concerned, 5,850 is a major resistance, and downside 5,400 is a major support. Any pullback towards 5650, 5680 could be a selling price. Downside 5440 is a support. We expect prices to be under pressure. To take into consideration the oversupply from the OPEC countries, and probably the control on the inflation by the US government.
All right, then, Mr. Somani, very quickly before we let you go, just one closing comment that I wanted from you. When it comes to gold-silver ratio, that has been something that has been the talk of the town. What kind of gold-silver ratio are you then penciling in? Where do you see that also headed?
Right. The difference between gold and silver is almost negligible as far as the Indian market is concerned. It was close to 95,000 both rates, a 10 gram and a kilogram. But now the difference is close to 12,000, 13,000 rupees. We expect the difference to increase further to 24,000. That means the silver should outperform compared to gold. Gold might stabilize around 1,05,000, and silver may reach 1,24,000 to 1,30,000.